Hello, this is Jacek from SpeakApp. I'll show you how to install multiple versions of Firefox. You may ask, why would I do such thing? Well, maybe you have a buggy Firefox version 58 and cannot connect to a SpeakApp meeting, but you don't want version or nor downgrade to the extended support release. I'll show you how to install a different version of Firefox alongside your default one. I'll be using Ubuntu because that's what I have here, but you can use any other GNU Linux operating system as well. Okay, so first find the right version of Firefox. Let's search for Firefox Beta. You can also search for Firefox ESR if you want to download and install the extended support release, but I'll go for Firefox Beta. So let's download. Okay, we'll also need a shell script to separate this new version from your current Firefox. Otherwise, you couldn't use these two versions simultaneously. The script is available at speakup.link/firefox/setup. Okay. Now, let's open the folder containing our downloads. And extract the archive into the Firefox folder. So let's wait until it extracts. And then move the setup script inside the folder. Okay, so go in to the folder and open it in the terminal. Now, mark the setup script as executable and run it. Okay, done. We have a new file, firefox.desktop, and we use it to run our new version of Firefox. So click on the file. It's trusted, so you can mark it executable and see what happens. And yes, this is the new Firefox we've just installed. Let's check if indeed it's the beta version. Yes, it is. Okay, so that's how you install the different Firefox version alongside your default one. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Or you can ask in the Facebook live chat. Okay, I don't see any questions. If the questions arise, please leave them in the comment section. I'll answer your question. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye.